Ever started a new business and found yourself staring blankly at Xero, wondering how on earth to tell it where you're starting from financially? You're not alone. Setting that initial starting balance in Xero can feel a bit daunting, but trust me, it's easier than you think. In this video, we're going to break it down step by step, so by the end, you'll be a Xero pro in no time. Now, why is this starting balance so important? Well, imagine trying to track your expenses without knowing where you began. You'd be flying blind. The starting balance acts as the foundation for all your future financial records in Xero. It tells Xero your exact financial position at the very beginning of your business journey. This ensures your reports are accurate, your cash flow forecasts are reliable, and you can make informed decisions about your business's future. Before we dive into Xero, let's talk about what information you'll need to have on hand. Firstly, you'll need to know your opening bank balances for each of your bank accounts. This means the exact amount of money you had in each account on the very first day of your business operations. Secondly, you'll need to list any outstanding debts you owed at the start. This could include loans, credit card balances, or any money you owe to suppliers. Finally, you'll need to account for any money owed to you. This could include unpaid invoices from customers or any other outstanding income. All right, let's get started in Xero. First, you'll want to navigate to the Accounting tab in your Xero dashboard. From there, you'll find an option for Opening Balances. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a screen to enter your starting figures. The first step is to enter your opening bank balances. Xero will likely display a list of your bank accounts. Simply enter the opening balance for each account in the designated field. Make sure to double-check these figures for accuracy. Next, we'll tackle your liabilities. These are the debts you owe. You can usually find options to add liabilities like loans payable, credit card liabilities, and accounts payable. Click on the appropriate liability type, enter the amount you owe, and specify the due date, if applicable. Remember to include any other outstanding debts you may have. Now, let's move on to your assets. These are the things your business owns that have value. Common assets include accounts receivable. This represents the money owed to you by your customers. Enter the total amount of outstanding invoices from your customers. You might also have other assets like inventory or equipment. If you have any of these, you'll need to enter their value as well. Once you've entered all your opening balances, liabilities, and assets, it's crucial to reconcile your accounts. This process ensures that your starting balances in Xero match your actual bank statements and other financial records. Xero usually has built-in tools to help you reconcile your accounts. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reconciliation process. Now, let's talk about some important considerations. Firstly, accuracy is paramount. Double and triple check all the figures you enter to avoid errors. Inaccurate starting balances can lead to significant problems down the line. Secondly, keep your records organized. Maintain clear and up-to-date records of all your financial transactions to ensure a smooth and accurate reconciliation process. What if you make a mistake? Don't panic. Xero allows you to edit your opening balances. Simply go back to the Opening Balances screen and make the necessary corrections. However, it's always best to double-check and avoid errors in the first place. Setting your starting balance in Xero may seem a bit intimidating at first, but it's a crucial step in setting up your accounting system. By following these steps and taking the time to ensure accuracy, you'll lay a solid foundation for all your future financial reporting in Xero. This will enable you to make informed business decisions, track your progress effectively, and ultimately, achieve your business goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.